Delegating or staking your Tez is simpler than most people think. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily stake your Tez using the Tezos Kukai wallet. Let's go. With your Kukai wallet open, first go to Staking, which is underneath your wallet address. Click on that, and it should give you a list of various bakers you can choose from, or you can enter a delegation key. For this video, we'll use my baker, Canadian Bakin, as an example. The delegation key is in the video description. You can use my baker or choose another. I also provided links where you can research bakers and choose one of your own. Press stake, and you may have to sign using your ledger. If you're not using a ledger, simply press broadcast, and you're done. It's that easy. Now, it'll take a couple of weeks until you start seeing your rewards, but after that, it'll be every 3 days. I'm Billy, and thank you for watching my video. Check out these other videos on how you can stake your Tez using various Tezos wallets. Take care.